This video is for Shopify store owners who are selling a product with different versions. It can be a material, it can be color or size. In my example, you can see handbags with different colors, and I will show you how it looks like on the website by default. I'm using Shopify Horizon theme, and this is how my product will look like by default. Users cannot see other versions or if other colors are available, so this is not creating the best user experience, and I will show you how it looks like after we will apply our solution. So they will see actually all the colors available on the page right here under product information, and they can click on these colors and go to other product pages and see this version of products what they like more, so you will not miss the sale opportunities here. And let me also show you how it looks like on collection page. So on collection page, products cards look like this by default, but after our solution it will look like this, and they will be able to see all the other versions of the product, and they can hover and see the different colors available, and if they like one of them they can just click simply and go to that product page and then purchase that product if available, of course. And for this, to solve this problem, we are going to use a Shopify app called Rubik Combined Listings. This is our newest app, and I'm a developer behind this app, so I will show you how it works. So when we first install the app, it will guide us with the 2 simple steps to finish the installation. First of all, we need to activate the app on our theme. So let's go and activate the app on the theme. So first of all, Shopify will automatically toggle this. So sometimes this part can be glitching, so you need to just click on this again. So for save button to be activated, and then you just need to click on save button, and then you can simply close this tab and you will see it's saying it's enabled. So I will close this. Now we finished the first step, and we need to now create a product group. So let's call it handbags. This is just a name that I'm going to use later. I will see internally, so it's not very important what you call it. And I will just search for handbags, and I will select all of them here. And then you can use our AI feature to just fill for you the option values, which are important for SEO, and colors. We always recommend to show on product cards colors, because it's easier for users to see smaller version and understand what it will look like. So it's better for user experience to use on product cards color, and in product page more detailed, you have more space to show, so you can show images. So we can also, if you don't like how AI assigned colors, you can change it by clicking here. So it can be a slightly different color, so you can just click on it. AI will try the best, but it's not always perfect. For this case, I think it was really good, and I just can click here and select color. This is also a really nice feature that will save you a lot of time. You can just click here, hover, and now colors are more realistic. We can just save them. Okay, after saving our group, we can already check the product. Like, I will just refresh this page and see how it looks like now. Yes, it looks perfect, and I can just basically search this bag's name in the search. You will also see it here. You will also see it in collection, but I have many other products, so it's easier if we just search here, and I show you search results page, so it will appear here. Also, if it can appear on homepage in featured products, and if products are shown here as well. And let's go back and make some customizations. So we have many versions here available to display. So you can choose here what you want to show. For example, you can show more detailed version where color names are shown with prices. If you have different prices per product, this can make a lot of sense for your case. And then you will see the product page here, how it looks like. I really love this version because it shows many details and yeah, easier for people to navigate. Additionally, let's check other options. We prepared many presets for you so you can see how products can look like. You have these options, these kind of options. But also I want to show you another cool feature. Let me just go back to our default, and then from there I will show you some magic. Okay, let's save it so far. We have also AI editor which will help you. So make corners rounded. So this assistant understands basic commands, basic settings, and can change it for you. So like you can apply everything. So let's say make border color brown. So it's made the border colors brown. Makes swatches smaller. It made it more compact, so you can apply it like this. And let's check it on the page. Yeah, it's applied like that. Now I will just reset it to defaults just to show you some other features. We have also this feature which you can show on mobile different styles. So if you will enable this, you can actually show on mobile. Let me show you how. So on mobile, you will see different versions here. So basically, you can go to mobile, and then for mobile, let's say you want to use smaller swatches, just circles, and then for desktop it will show this, but for mobile this. Or we have also versions like carousel and other versions, so you can customize everything, and you can do it per product. So you can have different products where in one product you are showing rounded products, but in other product you are just showing squares or circles. Everything is possible. Additionally, you can also show here you can show categories here. Let me show you how. Let's say you have two products which are limited edition. Let's make this one is limited edition. So we have here a feature called category. You just click on it and you add new entry, and let's call it limited edition. And then let's save it. We are using Shopify meta objects, so that gives us a lot of power behind. So you can see now this product shown as a limited edition. Let's assign one more product to limited edition. Okay, this one, limited edition. Okay, save. So two products under limited edition. So let's go there and see how it will look like. So on the website, it will look like this, so people can see distinction between these products, and limited edition is like out of stock by chance. So this is, this is also a different version that you can display if you have this kind of distinction between products, like a standard edition, or it can be also style of the product can be slightly different. You can also group them like this and display them. Also, it's possible that to change, like let's say here we have more advanced editor, and you can change also what you want to display. So here you can display second product image, last product image, custom image also possible, or just one color. If you don't like to display as a two color, you can just display it as a one color, two color. Also, you can change even direction of the colors. That's even possible. And you can also display them by carousel or grid. So let me go change these. So diagonal like this is possible. Horizontal, vertical like this is possible as well. So everything is like flexible, and you can adjust many things, and yeah, basically all going to change immediately. So you can see it's now shown like this, and you can just make it smaller to make it look nicer. And yeah, we also, yeah, we have many other features in the under settings. You can hide out of stock swatches, for example, or by default we are pushing out of stock swatches to the end. You can disable showing tooltips, and you can also show where you don't want to display swatches. Everything is possible. And yeah, if you need some help, also we are very happy to help you from the supports. Just click on this chat with us button or click on this support button, and we will be happy to help you. Yeah, have a great day and success with your business.